everybody! I'm here today with a driving lesson on vehicle primary controls. In this video, I will be showing you the vehicle primary controls, the primary controls of your vehicle. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Number one on this list is the steering wheel. So obviously, what we have here is a steering wheel. Now, a primary control in a vehicle is something that allows you to control the vehicle in its main way, shape, or form. What we have here is a steering wheel. The steering wheel allows you to turn right and left. It allows you to guide the vehicle in any way, shape, or form. So obviously, your steering wheel is what allows you to make the vehicle move. Number two on this list is your gas pedal. If you look down where my feet are, I'm not going to show you because it's pretty straightforward and simple. Your gas pedal is over here. It's going to be the rightmost pedal. When you push it, it's going to make the car rev, just like that. It's going to make the car rev. It's going to make the car move forward or backwards. It's going to make the car move. Number three on this list is your brake pedal. Your brake pedal slows the car down and allows you to bring it to a complete stop. Simple and straightforward. Number four on this list is a clutch pedal if you have a manual car. I don't have a manual car. This is an automatic car. My old car was manual and it had a clutch pedal. It's going to be the one all the way to the left, and it's going to allow you to start the car, stop the car, and change gears. It's used quite frequently. Basically, whenever you use the shifter, you're going to use the clutch pedal, which brings us to number five, which is the shifter. Now, this is off of the camera frame, but your shifter is going to be used because it allows you to basically choose which direction or which gear the car is in. Okay, and number six on this list, the last vehicle primary control, is your parking brake. Okay, right over there. Now, like I said, it's off of the camera frame, but you know what your parking brake is. In some vehicles, it's going to also be electronic, like in my Honda CR-V, it's an electronic parking brake. In this one, it's a manual, and you always get that nice sound from it, that tactile feeling. So with your parking brake in mind, what it does is it makes sure that the car remains stopped, and it's even more important in the manual. I always use it in an automatic car, personally, but in a manual, it is crucial for making sure that the car stays stopped when you exit the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to demonstrate how to use these primary controls, simply because you can use them independently or together. Now watch this. My foot is on the brake pedal. I'll show you how to use them together with each other. My foot is on the brake pedal. I'm putting the car in drive. I'm releasing the emergency brake. So I've already used three primary controls: brake pedal, shifter, and emergency brake. Now I'm gonna release the brake pedal, okay? So now in a new session, I'm releasing the brake pedal, pushing the gas, and steering, just like that. So I've once again used three controls: releasing the brake pedal, pushing the gas pedal, and steering. Okay, I'm gonna make a left-hand turn, so I'm braking now, pushing that brake pedal. Actually, we'll make a right-hand turn. Now I'm pushing the accelerator pedal, and I'm accelerating and steering. So you can see I use them together. Now let's say I release both pedals and I'm just steering. Well, right now I'm only using the steering wheel. I'm not touching any of the pedals. But when do you do that? Think about that. When do you do that? Very rarely. Or I am not, I'm not holding the steering wheel and I'm pushing the gas pedal. You never do that. You always have to be holding the steering wheel. So now I'm braking and steering at the same time, just like that. And you continue to use all of these things together with each other. Very, very rarely will you actually use an individual one. So check this out. Even when I park the car, so I'm pulling over right here, I braked, so I pushed the brake pedal. My foot is on the brake pedal. I put it in park, and you keep your foot on the brake pedal when you pull the emergency brake. If I release my foot, my car's gonna roll a little bit until the parking mechanism locks in place. And I don't want that because that can damage it. So my foot stays on the brake pedal and I pull the emergency brake, just like that. And that's it. Those are the vehicle primary controls. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.